Welcome. If you've ever pinned important messages in a messenger group and now you want to unpin them, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the updated steps so you can clean up your group chat with ease. First, open the Messenger app and head to the group where you want to adjust the pinned messages. If you're like most people, you'll spot the group among your recent chats and tap it to open the conversation thread. Next, look at the top of the screen, tap the group's name or the group picture. This opens the group's profile and settings, giving you a few options to manage how the group appears and functions. Scroll down a bit until you see pinned messages. This is where Messenger stores all the messages that have been pinned for quick reference. Tap on pinned messages to view the items you've pinned so far. Now you'll see the list of pinned messages. To unpin any message, press and hold that message. A quick action menu will appear with several choices. Tap unpin to remove that specific message from the pinned list. If you want to unpin multiple messages, repeat this long press and unpin action for each one you'd like removed. After you've unpinned the messages you no longer need at the top of your group chat, you can close the group profile. The changes take effect right away, so you'll notice the pinned section shrinking and the chat returning to its normal layout. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see pinned messages right away, make sure you're using the latest version of Messenger and try refreshing the chat by leaving and re-entering the conversation. If the group hasn't pinned anything recently, the pinned messages section may be empty, but the option will still be available once something is pinned again. That's all there is